It's your pal Ron here with a update on my Zeno 2 shipment. I'm going to backtrack a little bit here and catch you folks up on what's going on here. On December 15th, 2019, I pre-ordered my Zeno 2 from GearBest website. I pre-ordered and paid the full amount down, and I have been waiting on shipment since then, and somewhere near the end of January, about 2/3 way through, we got an email from GearBest letting us know there was a delay in shipment due to various issues, the Chinese holiday, and also the coronavirus. And since then, it's all quiet on the Western Front. I didn't hear any more information. And then Wednesday morning, February 12th, at approximately 9 a.m. in the morning, I was on Facebook on the the Zeno Nation Facebook group, and I saw several people say that they had received their Zenos, and others had said that they received shipping information on their Zeno 2s. So I went to the GearBest app on my phone and checked my status. And for the first time in 2 months, my status had changed from paid to packed. So I was encouraged by that, finally some movement on my my order. So then the next day, February 13th, at approximately 8 p.m. in the evening, I received an email from GearBest letting me know that my Zeno 2 has finally shipped, and that I had tracking information, and it was FedEx. And when I went to put it in the FedEx website tracking, it was the label had been printed, and it was in Chino, California, and I'm on the East Coast here in Margate City, New Jersey. So I'm not sure whether my actual Zenos 2 is in Chino, California. I know the packing label is in Chino, California, but hopefully the drone is there too, and that it will be shipping out shortly. I'm on the other side of the country, but shouldn't take all that long. But that's what I have for you now. I'm very excited that I'm finally seeing some movement in my order, since it's been stagnant for almost 2 months, since pre-ordering and paying the full amount from various reasons, which again, GearBest did a very poor job in keeping us up to date on the shipping times and stuff like that, except for one brief email saying it would be delayed because of the Chinese New Year's. But anyways, so I will keep you updated as the Zeno 2 starts to move across the country and starts getting more tracking information. And of course, when I do get it here at the at Zeno Nation headquarters, I will be doing the full unboxing, and then we'll be taking it out when the weather allows for a flight test, and we'll put the through its paces. But as of right now, if you want some good Zeno 2 information, I recommend you go to Blue Skyver's YouTube channel. He's done a whole series of videos of Skydio 2 flying in the snowy and cold conditions in Montreal, Canada. And also, I want to recommend L3 Toys coming out of Malaysia. He's been doing a whole series of Zeno 2 videos testing all the a lot of the smart features and so on. He's doing it in a warmer climate, so you can see how the Zeno 2 performs in extreme temperatures, in cold and a warmer climate also. So, and I want to recommend Chad B, who just another YouTuber who has just done a couple. He just got his in like about a week ago, and he's done a unboxing video, very good unboxing video, and also a flight test in his backyard. So look for more stuff from him. He's located in Virginia, right here in the U.S. He's a couple states south of me, so he's still dealing with some winter weather too. But sure, he's going to get out and do some excellent testing as the weather allows. So that's it for my Zeno 2 shipping update, but stay tuned, because I have another update on the Zeno 1, and does it play nice with the Zeno 2 app. So stay tuned. I will be right back. Okay, folks, Ron back here, and I want to show you a little I'm gonna call it a hack I found last night. I have the Zeno 1 here. Of course, you already know I don't have my Zeno 2 yet, and I booted it up, and I started up the app, and I thought, I wonder if this would work with the new Zeno 2 app. If you don't know yet, the Zeno 2 is a standalone app that's not part of the other Zeno app, which works with several different Hubsan models. But for the 2, they have their own dedicated app. But it doesn't say anywhere on the app that it works with anything but the Zeno 2. But let me just show you what I got for you. Okay, so we're going to start the Zeno 1 up here. Okay, it's booting up here, so we'll boot the the transmitter up. Alright, the drones, you can see the lights blinking on the Zeno 1 there, hopefully, and the transmitter will boot up here. Alright, looks like everything's booted up here, so we'll connect the phone now via the lightning port here and the micro USB on the side there. So we're gonna open the app up, and I'm gonna show you that information here. Trust this computer, trust it. Let's see here. Let's take this off camera for a second. Type my super secret password in here. Alright, so now here's the screen. Hope you can see that too. Very good. I'm going to do a screen recording. Actually, a lot of people ask me how to do a screen recording on the iPhone. So you just pull down from there. You hit this little dot within a circle, and you let it count down to 1, and then it's right there, and it should be doing a screen recording. I hope you can see that. So okay, we're going to go find the Zeno 2 app here. I have all my drone flying apps on one page. So there's the again, you can see it there, Hubsan X2 app. So hopefully I'm doing this good screen recording now, so I can cut that footage in here in a picture. So right there it says enter device, but it only says Zeno 2. But we're going to hit enter device anyways. Enter main device. So there's a window. Oh, and there's the FPV from the Zeno 1. And to show you that I got full control, I can actually use the gimbal wheel, which is on this side here, and you'll be able to see the gimbal go up and down. So I do have, let me show you better. So I do have full control of the drone at this point. I'm not going to start it up and fly it inside, but I do have control. And you can the map, you can see that map down in the bottom left hand corner. You see when I pick the drone up, it moves. It's definitely connected. It knows which way I'm turning and what direction. And I will go outside and attempt to fly this, but the weather's not fit for flying today. But maybe I can get out. I think Sunday the weather may be better. So there we got a lot of yellowness going on here, which is probably just we need to change our white balance. White balance, automatic. The automatic made it real kind of yellow looking. There we go, something affected it. Okay, there's a better white balance there. Let me remind me of the old color flash issues from the old days. So, but again, the Zeno 2 app does work with the Zeno 1. Again, we haven't tested it outside, but everything inside indicates that it's fully functioning with the Zeno 1. And so that's kind of interesting to know. Why you'd want to fly the Zeno 1 with the Zeno 2 app, I don't know, but if you have both drones, you could eliminate the old Hubsan flying app. If you didn't have any of the older drones that worked with that, and these are the only 2, so you could just fly it on here. Now, functions that don't work, like if you went to the camera settings and you open up the, put on 4K 60, the 60 would just be blanked out because, of course, this doesn't, shoot in 4K 60. So, let me show you real quickly here. We're in, we gotta get the video mode here. Go away. So we're in video mode now. So you go up to like 4K. So we're in 4K now. We go over to frame rate. So you just can't choose 60 because the Xeno 1 doesn't do 4K 60. Only the Xeno 2 does. So I mean, again, I don't know what this means and what you can take out of this, but I thought it was somewhat interesting to Xeno fans that the app was compatible with the older Xeno 1. I would imagine it would be also compatible with the Xeno Pro, but I don't have a Pro to test that out. But I'm guessing it would be, since it's compatible with the oldest Xeno, the Xeno 1. So again, what what does, if this information means anything or is important, you'll decide. But it was a nice discovery, and I hadn't heard anybody talk about it before. So okay, that wraps this episode up of Inside the Xeno, Inside the Xeno 1 and 2 drones. So I will definitely see you on the next one.